3, 2, 1, and I'm live with Malvir from Edoga at the Edoga Open Workshops back, and couldn't stay away because what I'm seeing is the fact that WordPress plugin by WordPress create block theme plugin is available, official plugin from WordPress itself, and I'm right about to hop right onto it, install it on my site so I don't need to manually fiddle around with code, just use the goddamn plugin to make another goddamn theme, clone a theme. Like established this far, the text you see over here will be compiled with the show notes, I make up compile the show notes until the end of the show, so if you don't want to watch through the whole damn thing, just jump at the end and see what was in, and maybe jump through back from the end to find the section, because I don't do at the moment timestamps, but at least draft up the notes what I've been doing over the session. At the moment topic is still website building, creating, molding, shaping the online entity, website. Straight into the workbench. What I just do? I need to grab from around. Get the dashboards arranged, streaming dashboards, multi-stream, Bolt TV, Bolt Plus TV, Odyssey, Twitch, Kick, YouTube. Did I left anyone out? No. So I'm on a roll, on a streak, front running, working to scaffold up, mold up, form the main international website version, get all the assets in the posts, draft up the pages, navigation, links, go through the WordPress, modern WordPress block theme to form the site, get my web graph working for me, stream manager, Kick, Twitch. Okay, Odyssey live, Twitch pop-out activity feed. So exciting. I guess the true development is never sleeping. Like right here, what I've been saying for a few days out loud during sessions, like I need to create my own theme, I need to clone a theme, I need to go through and so I can customize it so it doesn't get defaulted by a theme update. I don't need to publish to a repository my theme, to a theme main WordPress themes repository. I can keep it on my website. So, but I can then, by then, what I mean is only what's left here to get the stream going is grab YouTube's dashboard, YouTube Studio. So I've arranged show notes to show what's been going on in the previous session this couple hours ago. And I've just decided to jump into stream with this. Work out this plugin and start with my own theme. And I've got all chats out. I can close the entertainment on my side. Put this window here. Hook it on. Need to remove some clutter. I use Windows workspaces to arrange stuff. I'll move unnecessary things from this workspace to another one, especially in the same place where the chats are, because I use dark theme for Windows, and the dark navbars are just too dark to distinguish sometimes the window frame borders elements over there and here and around. I've looked in the Power Toys for Windows to see if there is a tool, a module that would show shortcuts I use while I engage them on keyboard, so it's visible in the stream. There's no such model at the moment in the Windows Power Tools for Windows 10. But I guess there is something like that standalone. I've seen it somewhere, but I won't bother myself with that. I compiled a post on my website about shortcuts I use. I'm just fiddling here with the chat windows to fit all 5 of them here on the monitor. Oh, I didn't go over the live streams. YouTube, click live. Yeah, live, YouTube. Bolt up, checked. I'll just lower the resolution, video quality. And also kick is playing. I'm playing on kick. Cool, got it. Oh, I'm ready. But what I'll be doing is just in the WordPress dashboard, I'll just bring the plugin in, and firstly I'll use it on the my Croatian site. Cool down the music a little bit. And add new plugin. Sometimes, depending on the browser cookies cache session, sometimes this works, sometimes this doesn't. Plugin indie WordPress contributors, classic editor, no. I'm looking for create block theme by WordPress. Just copy that, paste it here. If it wasn't WordPress original by WordPress, I wouldn't use it, because I keep away from all other plugins as far as I can. Just keep my WordPress vanilla. I don't need any automation, registrations, user registrations, mailers and so on. Activate this live, and this is the old Newton theme that I've actually customized into kind of a dark night mode. Originally this theme is white background with black dark fonts text, and I've kind of inverted it into a dark mode, and I really like this light dark blue theme. I was looking at my post on my recent post on the Bolt Plus on the posts feed, which looks like this. My post, this one, with the cat gang in the wheels, and I was looking about this post portlet, how would I call it, post frame, and I really like the dark background and lighter, less saturated blue header footer and I want to recreate this kind of concept style for my posts. And about this, well, I can actually, block theme, I can completely imitate this this responsive style from full screen desktop mode collapsing into mobile without any breaks of the page, because I'm not fond of this theme at the moment that I'm using. I just use them to get the most of content ready. Here I've tested copy pasting. I've just copy pasted the content actually. Come on. I've made a copy paste test preview of the copy pasted post from Bolt straight here in the page, in the page on in my post. And I'll add in show notes in this episode create, what's it called, create block theme. WP plugin by, next line, WordPress.org. I'll clone theme that is active just to get the basic scaffold ready. I'll do two things, but I'll use this theme that I'm using 2023, but I like what the 2024 has. Hi Almin, how are you doing? Almin in the house. Yo. What am I gonna give in the bold chat? Give out, give. There's something has to give. In the house, yes. Is this in the house? Ba-da. Hey. I just love Scorpion Dagger gifts. Scorpion Dagger bringing us for our pleasure of viewing the master painters' classical works of medieval works of religious themes and portraits and Renaissance. Thank you, Scorpion Dagger. Thank you. Show notes, create block theme, marking new cloning VPT 2023. Making new WEB&TechSmart theme. Yay. Yeah. Oh. And what did they say? Install, do this, do that. Thank you. This is a walkthrough tutorial using create block theme. Create without writing a touch a template file. You can clone the theme. Okay, that's what I want to clone theme. Table contents, site setup. If you haven't already, the local setup includes some dummy test data and CBT installed. So this is image. What is this? I do stuff live. My website is Living Canvas. I don't do staging at the moment. This article assumes that familiar style, okay, blah blah, editor global site editor global style, interface, including block themes. Site editor global styles, including block themes. Few basics. Below the screen show empty structure and make markup. WordPress site provides an export theme feature that includes theme JSON. Using WordPress export feature. Install activate blah blah. Is it active? Is it activated? Activated. Yeah. So it says I've got a theme. I'll just go in themes and see if I get the create new. What if I want to editor, just to check if there is just a single click solution to create this copy of this whole design. I don't see it, no. Go to site. It's loading, rendering the page. Okay, go out. Does it have it one? Can I have an option? Clone a theme, cloning a theme. Export deactivate with user changes. So I want to clone active theme. Save user changes as a style variation of 20. Oh, this is nice. So here is what I've been just commenting a few days ago. Style editor, more style, more user styles, not just how many published delivered style slots in the theme itself. So my theme is the edoga 2023 clone of VPT block WordPress theme, block theme 2023. No, this is not available. Author Mali Vir Eddy at edoga. https @edoga.net. Browse, upload new themes. Well, it's not created, it got nothing to upload. Image credits. Recommended plugin, no special plugins. Theme tags, blah blah blah. Custom tags, no tags at the moment. So custom tags 2023. What? Single hyphenated, well separated but commas, add custom tags 2023. Huh? Custom tags, well, custom 20 or 23, how about that, huh? How about this, huh? I don't know what you're talking about. Custom tags. Just clone my theme. What's the complaint? Did the cloning occur? I don't think so. Generate. Anything else I need to do? Can I have it here? Am I being blind? Go to dashboard, maybe if I log out, log in. Come on, themes. What I'm missing? One, two, four, customize. So clone. So user changes style version 2023. Come on. So maybe I log out, huh? I log out. And then log in. I log back in. I'm back in. Appearance, teams. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. 22, 1, 4, 2. Add new team. What's going on? Where did it clone it? Does it? Documentation. Documentation. If you haven't installed, blah blah. Okay. Appearance. Two buttons. Block team. Manage fonts. This is create block team option. Clone empty CBT. When the create button, okay, so the plugin will also create an entire team, child team, new teams without writing any code or everything touch. Now let's turn to export option of the plugin. Exporting with the user changes. To test this feature, blah blah blah. Create blocks. It will display the following form. Only the team name field is required. Clone, clone, clone. Yeah, I want to clone. So create block team. Clone 2023. Edoga 2023. Generate. Or I need to, do I need to go through the process of do I need to go through process of creating that option 2? What's the option 1? Option 1 export option. Install. Okay, I've installed it. If you click appearance, there are two buttons: create background. Okay, create. When you create selected plugins, create an entire team, child team, or team style version. Okay, now let's turn to export. To export feature, this option will export the active team. Do I need to export? I don't need to export. To test this feature, use some setup that was kind of previous blah. Create a clone of activated block team from appearance. And what did it say in the beginning? Site setup. Let's begin by setting up a test site. And okay, come on. So copy, clone empty, clone the okay, so it's showing these three things. So image looks like kind of image is important, a big deal here. Empty blank, empty CBT active empty clone. Okay. Let me try that. No file selected. What was showing? Team description and image. Description and image. Does it have to be PNG? Damn ya. PNG. Where am I? Let's say I jump into this folder. Come on, control copy. And can I take this? Use this? Is this enough? Generate. You're making me here look bad. No, still not getting a theme. Come on. F5ing you. Giving you high F5. Theme name. Indicated with asterisks. What else with asterisks? You asterisk, just the theme name is required. Come on. Can't you, won't you? I've got just one last thing. Theme file editor, plugin file editor. What? Do I have that in this settings, tools, settings, file organizer, Can I have this plugin also here? Add new plugin. In case create blocked theme. This should be it. Maybe these two sites have different configurations and okay, let me just check the troubleshooting. This has no effect on the server. They continue, but for install for here and individual plugin found, blah blah, not health check plugin, blah. So if you wish, user switching. Hello. How is your day? Are you enjoying your Friday? How can I help you? Hello, you reached the customer service of Bank of England. How can I help you? Sorry for your waiting. Thank you for your patience. Appearance. Let me try get this team cloned. How we got Becca in the house, Rebecca in the house, or kick. Howdy. 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 How duty. How what you doing? What you doing, Becca? What you doing? What you doing? Clone 23, clone it, please, clone. Included with asterisks are required, asterisks required, only name, only the name is required. Then I say at edoga 20 or 23, cool. Can I have that, please? Listen to me, you better do. Why? I've got only one team active and installed here. Is that true? I'll thank you for your attention. So why is this not working for me? For why don't I get the team cloned? Clone it. Come on, clone it. See, okay, just to make sure. Sure. Well, first the exposure and the that's like with the stem cells therapy. You got the stem cells in the exposed to the healthy tissue, and then they mold into the environment, adapt the environment, and start turning cloning, forming into the tissue, because that's the purpose of stem cells, to fit the environment. So stem cells are building blocks of life. They're not parts of a skeleton yet. They're not yet the blood vessels. They are not the skin tissue. They are not the fibrous tissue. But they develop as a universal building material. They specialize depending on some environmental information, directions they've been given to by some invisible forces during the and after the insemination and the moment of conception, when the male and female sex, the cells, fertilizing cells, merge into a new thing. You know what you call it, the in the uterus, the not the fetus, but the purpose, not the fetus, but the purpose. So stem cells are neither that, neither this. So that way, if you get your mind state into a stem state, cell state, you might just actually adopt the information from the environment, from the exposure. And that's why the visual, while you're still everything is still in the order with the head, then at least replication in the mind, when the mind tries to sort out the visual information, visually has it been visually, what's the term, the stimulated, yeah, stimulation over the sleep period. Brain will try to sort out those flashes and create a new folder and put some label on it. Then time over time during exposure period, you got the fresh new concept in your head that you can maybe replicate, use, start modeling. Depends how the semantics grow onto you. So one or two concepts are of learning is applied here. First, visual, like a duck school, imitation, learning by imitating, and many times brain does itself being visually stimulated. And I just try to apply some verbally, vocally, audibly, some tags, some semantics on it. At the moment there's still no coding included here, so it's just the visual tools. Only thing that it's not shown here is buying, renting out the shared hosting and setting up WordPress on the parcel, on the server plot, setting up WordPress and logging in. Start using it, the WordPress backend. But the actual interface, when set up, it works like any other backend for the user profile. Only more tools, more flexibility, more power to your user. Power user. I'm just looking for one simple goddamn PNG. Can I have one simple PNG? Well, okay, got it, .png, come on. You know how to use asterisk for searching files and folders, for file extension files. Asterisk dot and PNG as an extensions, and I get give me just simple PNG, 1 megabyte, just for the sake. Now I've just jumped in here in the fire, trying to make this work right out of the box, hoping that it will work like they say, but my server might not allow. What? Okay, I've got something new here. Add new team, create block team, manage team for customize. Can I see this on my website? Working also for me, themes. Customize, themes. If I click on this, nothing happens. Hit F5, maybe the site needs to do some maintenance mode. Login, can I get this working, please? If I hit customize, Come on. Go back. So I'm not sure that this preview of this theme, as it is only a single theme, stretched around to fit the whole space, browser space here, but I can see it added also supplied here for a few more options here that I don't have on the other side, as I did clone this theme. Okay. No, yes. Okay, instructions, read the instructions, what it says. Create a clone of the activated block theme from the appearance, create block appearance, you know? Clone. Theme name found are optional. The feature, the clone theme will be downloaded to your themes if you have activated. If you check its files, they are the same as blah blah blah. It contains feels blood. Someone's pulling tricks on me. Okay, if I go to themes, ignore this. I'll leave this. Where is the clone? Add new theme. On this side, the theme adding doesn't work. Back to editor, back to themes. $74. Maybe okay. Maybe go through the settings, tools. File editor. Take a look at this from the outside. No, not getting that theme recreated. 4132 Newton Commodore. Is this a trick? What kind of trickery is this? Download, open a new folder. Is it downloaded on my computer? What's going on here? Come on, so it's downloaded to my computer. So this is like workflow on the local, running WordPress on the local development machine. Each time I press generate, I got the zip file in my desktop. I thought it would just copy the files on the server. So I need to manually upload one and the other theme. The largest file in the theme zip folder is the image preview. Well, that's super simplification. What I can do is I need to go in my cloud, in my hosting control panel, cPanel, and use just the file upload. Add these two zip files into the into the corresponding folders. Includes content, themes. Cool, thank you. So here I hit upload. Where is the upload? Not showing you this secret part. This is at edoga. Drop here. Thank you. Squeezing through and while uploading, through and while streaming, doing the upload. And now second theme is the for me Croatian website, content WordPress folder, VP content, upload, drag drop to upload, zip file that I've just received from the cloning process. And now if I go to each respectable website backend, do I need also to, how is this usually? It's the, I unzip it, right? I need to unzip it. Okay, yo. Themes. Refresh. Is there a refresh show? Home, reload. Didn't I just upload it? Come on, what you doing? Okay, I need to move it. Can I move it to move, select move. Move. Content to themes. Move files, move. Unzip, yeah. Unzip, extract, yeah, thank you. Yes. Very cool. Close this. Go to the respectable folder here, themes, and select extract, create the folder for that, and here it is. And voila, I've got it. So edoga 23 clone theme, cool. Activate live preview. Activate! Engage! A live preview, latest, F5, refresh. Everything works like nothing changed. It's the same, it's clone theme. Got that done. So if this is being performed on the production online website on the shared storage, you get the result of cloning is the downloaded zip file, zip cloned theme files downloads locally, and it needs to be manually placed. I might just maybe use the uploader, add new theme. Does this work? Add new theme manually. Upload theme. So here I'm supposed to upload the theme, but it's not. It's broken on my site. Cool. It's good that it doesn't work like that, because that's one that could be security breach right there. right there. F5 on the international branch of edoga. International branch limited. No, something's off. Something's off here. Come on. Come on, come on. Dashboard and back into. Come on. Not gonna play that game. Load. 2023. Here showing not. Of you. Fool me once. Add new theme. Upload. Not working. Cool. Inspect the reasons. Give me back of the control panel. C panel. What did I do? What did I mess up here with uploading? What's going on? At edoga, the press, themes. Why not? Why did you do that thing? Thing to my readme view. It looks in order. Oh, maybe I've got the plugin blocking it. Is there a plugin messing? What is going on here? Oh, disable troubleshooting mode. Oh, god damn it. Appearance themes. Ooh. Active 8, active 6, and there it is. Newton, the live preview, theme details. Is this modified version? Again, this silly thing, this old theme customizer is broken. If and when, but I found a workaround playing around with the oh no, you won't. Playing around with the changing around the reloading and changing into the emulating. It's a different type of platform, and refreshing. I just want to preview is this modified Newton theme that I've recreated into dark one. Oh, you will. Come on, yeah. Disable this, change the user agent. Come on, Satan, I've changed. Okie dokie, so this is the unmodified, the original Newton theme on this website, but it doesn't matter, but just so I know for the future. I fancy this design. but this night mode that I've modified. Maybe this one original looks kind of cleaner, but I really got used to this modified. Yeah, but this modified has this modified and original Newton theme have some of these bits permanent and unchangeable, unlike the block themes. This is like the, here is the mention on the WordPress documentation website, a post, an article comparing old themes and new block themes. There are even old traditional classic themes that are hybrid, that are expanded and use some block elements. And what is the deal? I've been already so if you have a look at this old classic Newton theme, here's the trick. This is desktop mode, and if I switch to mobile here in the preview, here it has the, on the left bottom, here, and so what I get is, what happens with this theme. The thing is that the left and the right column, the left column, which is on this side, this column, and right column on this side, they are on the widescreen or on tablet mode. On the tablet, for example, they actually collapse below the content, the posts. That's what they do. They collapse here, so they are collapsed. So this is the left column, this section from here, and this is the right column. And if I expand, what happens is the left column goes before, in the order before the content centerpiece section, and that's not straight away reproducible in the block themes. Some manual tweaking is required that I'm for now avoiding. So I'll just adopt my content into kind of 3 columns like this, and have this left column, and my columns will stack as they're displayed left to right order on the mobile screen, portrait mode. I'll have the leftmost column be here first, below the title, site logo, and the menu. At the moment, this theme is not showing the site navigation menu, which should be here, somewhere here. It should be appear here. Doesn't have defined and placed in this theme. Here is in the old customizer, that thing, but it's not important. And I got used to using this theme the way the ads would show, because the ads would now use the left. Actually, the whole website on the desktop would be a capital, actually, place where the advertiser will bid for the place to get the ad shown higher in the page level. So let's say in this area the ads showing this page space costs more for ads to show, and that bidding on the side of the advertisers is done by the automated system. The system places on the ad space market available web pages space, the prime real estate, and the advertisers bid and purchase the space in a microsecond and place the ad depending on the campaign's budget. And that's done real time, every day, every second, every moment, depending on how the platforms, the publisher sites, how are they valued, what's the value of the publisher's website location in the market of advertising space. So I got that done. So just in about an hour mark, that's done. Theme created. This is just a preview and a bunch of open tabs. So now I got this theme cloned. Now I can play around with it, and if I want to default, I can just activate 2023, and I can so I got like a parent pattern, parent mold for my theme that I'll be building. So I don't need to redo everything from the scratch. The template parts and the customizations I've done so far. Just because I wasn't lazy. Actually, I was before I started the stream, I actually searched for the WordPress create blog theme documentation in WordPress, and they just actually suggested why not get the plugin to do that. But I was just lazy to navigate manually through the files on server, copy the folder and change the manifest for the existing theme, and duplicate the theme folder with all the files. This does all the required replication and replacing the manifest statement like the theme name. That was said in the document, that the main important thing when cloning is just put your own goddamn name for the theme. Where is it? Here's the cloning. Option 2, create clone. Only the theme name field is required. Ta-da. Want that magnified? Here I'll get that magnified for you. There. Excuse me for a moment. Hello. Guess who's back? It's Eddy. Congregation, please be seated and open your prayer guides to the Book of Revelations, Psalm 69. How to succeed and how to suck eggs. 69, 69, 69, 69. Hip, hip, hip. You know ministry. Psalm 69. The album from the 90s. Ministry. I've got that clipped when I was playing Minecraft. In the Atlantis map, in the Atlantis verb of Minecraft. Hello. Who's there? Hello? Hello? It's for you. Oh. It's for you, Becca. Hey, it's May. May 488. How you doing? What you doing, May? What you doing? Sure. So we were on to thank you you too. Pleasure to have you here with us, May 488 at the Bolt Plus house. May 488 gang in the house of bolts, nuts and bolts, and tiny lightnings. You saw, it shows I'm online, yeah? So you saw me online. Just like those tweeties on the line, telephone line. I'm doing good, I'm killing it, We're just killing it here, our gang of developers here. Yeah, I got my gang of cute kitty cat developers. Well, let me just drive your attentions here from my last post on the Bolt. Since I'm reinvoking the remembrance of the Scorpion Dagger's original gifts, which are the best gifts out there available. Kitty gang on wheels, yeah. I'll keep daily posting the Scorpion Dagger stuff on wherever is available in the gift search, because it's not enough. Well, it actually provides in our modern day time it allows us to enjoy the master painters' works of art from time of Renaissance and medieval classical works of art brought into more modern contemporary form as a animated GIFs. All the biblical mishaps in GIF style brought to ya in a meme format by Scorpion Dagger himself. So what I've done here, I've actually used the like you can see in the show notes on top of my video. I've updated saying that I'm using WordPress plugin, kind of a latest plugin, create block theme, to clone the block theme. So I cut short that theme replication process, manual work, just switch to autopilot, actually, because I want to have a backup theme, same theme as I try in the cloned version, replicate this theme style, bluish thing, then that's not on my active. It's not active on my website, which is this darker one. This is just kind of out of my way, out of your way, dark one background. And I've got used to using this one a couple years so far, but it doesn't work like a modern theme does, so I'll do some cloning back and forth. And I've got two websites, international English version and my Croatian localized version. And I've just went through that replication for both sites, and these themes, styles on the website are the cloned files, and I can modify them however heck I want. Sip of coffee. Cool this music down a little bit, chill. And mute mic because I'll be noisy with the plastic bag. Grab a pinch of tobacco. Whoa, hey. The link to these websites is in my profiles on every platform, and if not, at least for the English international version. And each of those websites holds a reference link to another site, sister site, whether you're speaking English or Hrvatski. So you can check on each site what's published on the other site in this type of manner. And what I actually want to do, I want to create my own. Go create my own layout for the main timeline, post timeline to post feed. So here on the Croatian site there is a post in English that will show in Croatian site what's posted on the English international site, and similarly on international site here's a post grabbing the posts feed, RSS feed from the Croatian website, and looking side by side they tend to share some similar branding elements but different styles, because it's good that I can distinguish them. I don't want to get fooled by my own self, thinking that I'm on this side while I'm actually on the other side. This way I have a visual cue. Oh, this is the localized version, this is the English version, but almost seamless branding. But not. And what next? So now that I've done this is actually what I've been talking a few days now. give me a tool to clone, give me a tool to create more color style schemes for inside theme, and now that's all delivered with this plugin. I've installed plugin, created the clone, so I can, okay, so next step is in this new cloned theme. I want to check one thing, that's creating a custom template for a post. May, are you there? Check this GIF out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Search, search, search. Yes, search, search, search. Do me the search. Do me a search. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hey, hey, hey! I just love these silly memes. Gothic characters in the contemporary environment. You into food? So, as from the invention and publication release of the block themes, now it's possible to create very specialized templates for specifically targeting specific type of posts, because each post now can have their own post template. That's the thing. If we have a look here using magnifier for this template here, section post properties of post, they have a template property field here, and if I click select single post template, that is now applied. I have here option drop down to select from a list of templates. What would I use? What would I like to use? I guess this is my template part custom. So I can change from single post to end. But what I want to do is create a new template. Move away this magnifier, it's just in my way. And I want to create a template style microblogging portlet, looking almost like a social network status update post. And if I go in appearance editor, check here templates, I got the list of the available templates, and here is the one that I've been manage all templates. I'll just check the Oh, they are all published by me. So even my customized in the original parent template that I've cloned it off, added by edoga, it's all now showing in this clone version. Same author. Now I've noticed one trick. If I click add new template, here it shows a list of the what should it be applied to. Now if I apply a template that I'm designing, it will replace a default template for that purpose. And I don't want to apply, I want just to edit the template. I don't want to apply it in it to be a default one. For example, this existing, as I'm creating a template for a post, here is the function called post template, single item post, and this one, if I select this one now, it will be replaced with and I want a custom template. Yeah, custom template, and I want to say a post single post portlet. Yes. Just maybe fool around with it. Choose a pattern. So here I have a pattern with wide header image, a generic single post. Will this provide, if I select it, does this include, if I hit preview? Okay, so I've got the footer also, cool. And so what I want to do is actually this block is interesting, the content. This is, if I check here, list view 3 of the document, to get around the structure of document. Here is the breadcrumbs navigation that represents also the list view hierarchy of elements in the web page, but in the editor mode. And this content refers to whatever is posted, stored in the database. Will go into this, will be fetched and replaced with this, in this displayed, rendered in this content block, which is a specialized element. It's like a placeholder for the author's content, while title is fixed. But since this template is, since I'm editing the template, I'm allowed to change up the template here. And the title, because in this, for example, for this post, if I switch to this tab where I'm looking at the post and I want to preview it, the posts have, if applied, header image or a featured image above the title, and the title is fixed to this center column width, and all the whole post consists of the title which is not showing in the list view for the post in the post editor, only the content of post. So to customize the title, I can do that in my own template. So here is the title. This text title will be replaced from the database, but here I can select like a wide width title, and maybe, well, I'll keep left alignment, or maybe impose the center align justification to center rule, and so it fits the alignment of and layout with the featured image for the post if applied. And so in this case, content block. So this is what I'll do. If I take for reference what I was looking on bold posts, for bold okay, so to replicate a form and style of portlet, smaller portlet style, small portlet style of posts, microblogging, they don't have headers. They don't have headers. What they have is the content meta group, post meta comments, which are comments, and so on. And they can have applied a function like a type of read more or expand, it like show more, like link more, show more. I don't know exactly how that works. I might, instead of building that up with the Word template, I might test that. Well, I'll actually scaffold up the template and then see later. So no title. Here we'll go content featured comments pagination. So this type of post doesn't show, template doesn't show author. What I need is author. Comments, no, that would be post metas, like author, date, categories, tags, and so on. Only what is here included in this generic template is the comments section, group content. I will double check one thing, and that is in the edit web page. I will check in the existing template what's included with in the content element. Does it consist internally of any sub-elements? Not the single post pages. Single post, I want to edit single post. Now it's possible to see here. Oh, it loaded the next section. So single post default shows this author and these details, and if I edit that and select list view, do I get to see post meta? Yes, so these are the post metas, which is the date, tags, category, and author. And to replicate the social platform type of post, it would take me post meta. Do I copy this or just grab these two, grab these parts of post meta, because if I copy the post meta, I'll get that this is a template part. This is this element here in list view represents the template part, which is also a specialized element, and I don't want to copy the template part. I just want to copy included its parts. Since I'll be doing custom stuff, I'll do some customizations here. So I got the group, I got featured, remove featured image, remove. Oh, there's another trick I can play. I can play the meme format post style, but not today. That would be specialized post format, like a meme post, text in image, text over image. So I leave the feature image. I will just get it to go narrow down, and in the style I'll say go original, or go a 4x3 square, and say contain or fill. No, contain. Okay, contain. Cool. With aspect ratio, with this is big. Can we go smaller? Cover smaller. I don't want images to be quite this big, but I might do this swapperoo. I'll push it below this here, like this. Get it below the content. Can't you go below the content, eh? Okay, so this is all in the group. Okay, though, so that above this is a group. I'll just slip in here. I'll just slip this in here over this spacer. I can push away. Separate comment section. And these tiny bits separator columns, these tiny meta bits of the template. Ooh, why did they do this so complicated? Paragraph, tags, paragraph. What's in the paragraph? Oh, it's text tags and then showing the tags. Okay, prefix, suffix. How if I free float those? Can I free float them? Well, I don't need these things to float around here. What I want is mainly author and time. So without the author name, bin okay, what's the columns here? Columns, wait, undo. I might need this. I might need these columns actually. I just duplicate this section before I customize it. Duplicate. Duplicate it. Dupe it on top like this. So I've got the duplicated and column. So this is this column. Okay, post by author. For post by author, this row, date and category. Remove this row. Only author, and for the author. What tags does it have? Date is where is date? Oh, undo. Well, so undo, yeah. Undo. Tags remove. I remove this stack of things and column row. So remove this paragraph tags. Remove tags. Remove. I will get the date. Date in that stack. Just drag it over there like that. And now I can delete the posted in, and actually in categories, post categories row, delete that thing. Yeah, author, post date, that's the element, that's the dynamic element. Paragraph author I don't need author, but what's missing here is who's the guitar player? Who's the player? Can't recognize. No, that's my my original music from 20 years ago. I made it in Fruity Loops, and that's like in the OBS included for every show. I'm not quite sure how loud it is. I made it kind of quieter just so it doesn't get annoying too soon. But if it's on the headphones, it's audible. I've done actually audio testing on the loudspeakers. I've tested my mic voice volume and the content and the compressor for all other content going through OBS, that my mic is sending signal to compress other volume on other sources, so it sounds dynamic on its own. When I speak, music quiets down and then goes back up. So let's say if you listen this over daytime on speakers, then you will still, my voice would be the rooftop max loudness level, and the all other stuff should sit below that, even if I in OBS push the volume in the audio mixer to the max. But during some sessions, depending how I turn on the computers, sometimes I get some noise in the mic. And if you're on the headphones, very loud listening, I'm sound wet. There is quite a lot of my mouth noises, wet mouth noises coming through. But I want to adopt the television format listening of playing, and I've tested a couple of times that the audio is like audio sounds well, speech audio sounds well when it's played on the television speakers. So if there's some noise, and even if there's some background in the ambient in the room where the TV is playing, because I listen some content, let's say some show on the side during the day, and it's very loud, like a podcast episode type of content, and then I switch to stream, and I don't hear anything on the stream. I need to max. During the day I listen to speakers, and during night I put on headphones. And if I don't hear on speakers, streamers, there's no value for me. If I cannot immerse in the, let's say, content, gameplay, whatever, or if it's watch party and I just hear on occasion the host speaking and the content is too quiet, hey, what's going on here? Are we all expected to everywhere wear headphones, even in my living room? No, I want the hands-free experience in the living room. Put on the TV, switch to the channel, and I don't touch the volume. If the content format doesn't fit that audio standard, no good. I've done my part, making that conform that volume range, and I tend to do monitoring also on the side, also while I'm live. I have sometimes, but at the moment no. I take a peek, sneak, eavesdropping on my own content to see the loudness, to check on the loudness. Like maybe now I should do. Plate. The compressor reaction is kind of laggy. But the music volume is good. Good music volume. For the headphones, they're audible, and if on loudspeakers, if somebody is listening at night, like on the speakers, it won't be any sudden loud music peaking, overpowering my roof speech voice level. So no, I don't need to apply any special warnings to my content, like headphone warning headphones. Okay, making a social platform post like format, status update type of format, getting the elements together, putting the elements together. Outer, what I want to add to outer field is the avatar. Now for this avatars. For avatars in the WordPress, they use the format from who knows where. I'll also fit this align middle. Hopefully they will be in line. And I can set this text to be how big show. Okay, I delete this avatar and just on the post outer, selecting the properties here. It has its own show bio, don't show bio, show link outer name to outer page. Oh yeah, okay, that's cool. Open a new tab, don't open visibility. Okay, this is a specialized plugin for the so-called conditional blocks. And here I want to do is post author size large, kind of this kind of thing, fill, fit, width, fill, fit, fill. Post date is not too big. Link to post, no, link this display modified, kind of that kind of thing. Only show is the post has modified. Okay, cool. And I'll leave all this, well, medium text, and save the template. Save. And for example, this is the template. No, this is again a template. Okay, so I move it behind this one. This is like one for the reference example. While I preview this, I can push all the way to the back and get like a pilot post, like a new post. I can close this, and for this new post I apply my template I've just saved. And here, so instead of the template single post, I select my own silly portlet style. Yeah, don't edit, just select it. Cool. Come on, add template, add template. Yeah, close. So this his title no show, and then the content is like look what I had for a mail, and enter, and I grab an image, like, yeah, like that image, media library from the website, and the meal image of a meal. Where are the meals? Got to post with the meal. Did I update my bacon video? No. This first season second special, I didn't post that. That's a pity. But I have a bowl of snacks here. That's look for what I have for a meal. Select, and then I double check. This is have you missed promo portlet. So it's no, don't, I will not bloat my portlet. Okay, portlet test, uncategorized. I get disconnected by my ISP. Because I don't have a static IP. I'm online from the dynamic IP pool, and every 24 hours that IP pool is flushed by the ISP. There you go, now you know. Publish, and I hit view post. Yeah, show the post. So this is the deal. Okay, one field. Yeah, hi, I'm back. for some reason. So this is a preview of this single post portlet style, just to check what it prints out. So there are ways how to style this, format the content, post content. And to get the to form this into portlet style, where's the content? Where is the content? This is the content, which is all the way down below here. So, and I guess that this column is outer, modified date, and the date. So I'll just slap this date on here and get this posted. No, posted, where is the paragraph date? No, that's the outer. This thing, no, post date, posted in, post date. I can delete this column. I can delete. This is the template one. Cool. What I do here is content is right here, featured image and content image. And this featured image by some reason maybe should be separated like this. And for some reason there is an overlap of the group. What's in this group? Okay, cool. So what I want to do in this, I want two comments are outside. That's nice. What I want to do is, here is what I want to do. I want to style this group this way. Set a background for it. Select a background. Let's say something lighter, like this. Group A. Why so big? No, not big. Group properties, inner blocks. And this group. Okay, yeah, this is it. Yeah, that's what I want to see. This style of formatting I want to see just for the test, and then get this styling here. In this styling, apply for this styling rounded corners, radius, what, 16? Is that cool? 16? Yeah. Some padding, like this. 1, but not for that one, for this one. Where did I apply the radius? Yeah, and padding, pudding. Come on, pudding. Pushing those things. Yeah, that's the stuff. That's the stuff. What's in this group? This group can go like this and this, then okay, so this can go in its own group because it will be represented and grouped in a group content group. I'll group it and change up the color because I will put a darker color onto this. Do I add more padding? Do I need more padding? No, it stretches full. Same padding. Okay. There is an underline and so if I save this, save it, and preview this post again. That's like a specialized template applied onto this. And for some reason the featured image can be just disabled. I can just disable the feature image. Get rid of it. Feature image, go away, and I can play this game. I can experiment with this. Can I change this spacer into? Oh, it just transforms into another different structure. What I need is top and bottom padding. Top and bottom paddings for this main group. One step like this. Cool. What? Can you somewhat refresh that for me, please? Group content, okay. Okay, group, top. Group columns. Got it, I understood. Create block theme. And in a preview here, hit F5. So for some reason there's quite a lot of spacing. Why doesn't this go? Can I force this? None of these, and line top. Can I preview this mobile? Yeah, it's already mobile. Desktop. Why is this sitting on the bottom? Columns, column. How come then? What's over here? What is over here? Why is this so? Why is there so much padding applied? No padding. One. Margin. Margin. Padding options. Top. padding top. This is what I get. You gotta be kidding me. Don't need that much padding. Give me vertical. Oh, give me top. Margin top. What do I get? No, I need. How about this? How about this padding? Padding, can I get some specialized padding over here? Padding to top bottom. Wow. So big of padding. And margin top. Why? What's going on here? Hey, come on. Margin top. And then try this. Try this and padding top bottom. Is this now okay? Can I get the decent, somewhat decent, less smaller padding? Okay, F5. And I had to. I've been kicked offline for a moment also, but anyway, here's the result. A custom post type, like a microblogging status update, just a scaffold. So the doing the opposite from the standard WordPress author and title below the post. This is more like a social platform style author on top of the post, and then content portlet style. And if I check this in the feed here, so this is the one. It shows no title for this template of the front page. There's no preview of it, just the title and excerpt. But if I click the title, here's the post, and I might just specialize. Well, anyway, it's possible with the blog theme, it's possible to actually mold a specialized template pages that will show the content like in the social platform style, type of microblogging. I'm muted. I'm chatting, but I'm muted. I was just commenting that as I got disconnected, some platforms might create two stream videos or just compile the same into one. My OBS is showing continuous 2 hours time lapse, time in the session. But I'll see on the platforms the result. Is it split into 2 videos or one, just because of the consistency of workflow? How will I update the titles? It's good to use mute, toggle mute on mic, but I sometimes forget to turn it on off when I'm speaking and it's mute, so. But you didn't miss anything important. Anyway, I was saying now what to do next. This was a playful experimentation to create this specialized template for a single post that is possible to upload, update. So if I edit this post, click on edit post, I will get the this little thingy. I will view the post. I'll just close these developer tools for who knows what tab, but enable them for this tab, just to check how this works. So this is how this will look like on the mobile. It requires refinement, but I've added some padding for inner content away from the edges of the main parent element, and I didn't style. I will do an experiment when I use this comments section for the post and show them like a well, actually there is this little thing I can test right away. Maybe if I check on the here are a few things like pull quote, the details, show additional content, hide and show. Okay, hide and show additional content. This is the trick. So if I select this, what does this block consist of? Details. If I check the list, details consist of paragraph. Can I pull the image inside here and say, oh my god, you mean? And let's say I update the post and hit F5 here. Okay, so I got here details that will expand. Cool. So this is first time I'm engaging with this block element details. This is cool. This is cool. It could even say show more. Perhaps can I have text? It has open by default or hide. Cool. Block name, additional class, details, read more. Very cool, very cool. I was avoiding for quite a few years now experimenting with these elements, tiny detail elements. And I'll do one more check. So that's the details, hide and show content. That's really cool. Pre-formatted, pull quote. Okay, this is another type of quote. Give special visual emphasis to a quote from your text. Table, verse, special spacing formats, or quote song lyrics, footnotes. Footnotes, well, that's just like a tiny reference list below the text, like exclamations. definitions or the whatever. Design, there are a few more, so there is even a more. More is a more separates the content typed in the content that will just be shown, the content in the text that will be shown, content that will, this is a separator for delimitation for what will be shown in the excerpts. Then the page break, why is that separated into multi-page experience? How would that work? That's more like a printing press page breaks type of thing, if it goes into the page printing on the actual ink printer, or maybe the press. Widgets, archives. Is there anything also, any other specialized element that kind of does the similar? Categories, no, these are the database elements. Search results. Embed, Twitter, YouTube, WordPress, SoundCloud, Spotify, Flickr, Vimeo, Animoto. Flickr. Flickr is images, aren't the Flickr images? Crowd signal. Pull Eddy content, former, embed crowd signal, cloud up. Daily motion video, maybe get some streaming over there, huh? Pocket Cast Player, Maybe get my stuff published here, huh? I will do a thorough inspection, because if I publish on these outlets and these outlets stream and have native embed functions into WordPress, that's a win-win. I just ignore Tumblr completely. I don't know. If I have my own site, why do I need Tumblr? Except maybe like a for advertising my own content. But why would I post on Tumblr and get that embedded here? I want my content from here to be on Tumblr. Weird, just weird. Video press, WordPress TV, and Amazon Kindle. Okie dokie, so that's really cool. Details, look, details here. Cool. So if I do this for the template, let's say, I remove in list view. If I enable this and remove the details from the post itself, from post content, and in template, separator is where group, okay, group spacer is right below here, spacer, and if I push this comment section into here, can I change up the size? Yeah, make this tiny. Yep, like this. And change this to tinier. Okay, then go H6, come on. And leave reply. Leave a reply. I can't style this up. Can I style it? Typography medium. Yeah, medium, large. Yeah, got it smaller. Cool. Wow. Post comment. Can this get smaller and smaller? Post comment like this. And what I want to do is, after this spacer, add that thing which is the details, like that, and pull the comments into the details. Pull in go in details like that. Yeah, and if I save this now. Ooh, ouch. So I've can I remove the can I remove comments? Can I remove customizations? Saving this. What's so funny? What's so funny? Am I amused? Do I amuse you? But you're laughing for me. Am I amusing? So this post format and press details, and we get the comment section right here. Cool. Just like the like a big game. What I might do for this template is for these columns. In case of these columns, disable stack on mobile. Let the title dates. Let the dates be in line with the author. Oh. Play nice. What happened here? Okay, so play nice, you play nice. Left alignment, a new align left like this. Cool. Any other? Middle. Save all. F5. What did I get? No improvements, breaking the line. Well, that's what I get when this guy, the author is big. So it just might go like a columns stack. Stack them. F5. Go. Like this, just like that. Yep. Here's the social platform created out from WordPress. Here's the status update. There you go. And how to separate the content from other posts that are like not the like microblogging format. With categories, using categories, it's possible to separate these posts into different feeds, different feed post timeline, and apply the styling, different styling than the rest of the general post types, which are these are general post types, while this is specialized post type like microblogging, status update, and they would be listed one below another like on the social platform. That's the portlet type of content style. Cool. Love it. I love it. This is perfect. Now what to do next? What's next? Maybe do some more work for 4 a.m. over here. 4 a.m. and 10 minutes in. I did sleep yesterday till the afternoon, so that side is solved. Yep, 4 a.m. But I've covered that, sleeping late yesterday. I've dedicated this week to do this run development, and I'm actually satisfied how it turned out. No, but I've just moved the segment sleeping. I didn't deprecate myself of sleep, no sleep deprivation. I just moved the segment. I avoid overstraining. In my age, 48 years young, I don't handle quite well, feel quite well if I don't sleep over long period. So I just go to sleep. But when I get productive, I just use that zone flow, workflow, zone in period. Put to good use. To get in the productive. For me to get in the productive flow state, it takes about 40 minutes an hour. And then that hour needs to pay off. That time spent in zoning in, I need to make it count. And if and it takes some 2 minutes to zone out, and then again about 10 to 15, depends on the mental discipline. Depends. In average experts say, professionals say that the time to go back in the zone is about 20 minutes average. Like that's the metrics from like the business side of productivity for the worker units in the industry. Probably taking from the programming development branch. They provide a lot of metrics. What should I do next? I've tested this. This is nice and sweet. I go back. Did I mess up anything else if I open the generic general template? Now it's obvious. All posts seem rough without the rounded corners and graphical elements. Now everything seems outdated. That doesn't have rounded corners. And I see right away what's wrong with this theme. This theme doesn't have background on the post. It's a transparent background. Whole content is just spilled out on the main page, main site background. So only the flow of content, only that is the cue. What's in which direction will the content flow? That's the difference from this theme. That's the main difference, because this theme with the columns design separation, left, middle, center column, rightmost column. This way, this theme gives a visual cue how the content is organized. That was the trick. I was saying that I'll create clone a theme, clone a main theme to create specialized templates, because I want to recreate this theme in a way form. So to start doing that, I need a template. Not create block theme, single post. This was an experiment. Oh, this is the main single post. That's cool. Post author. And so this template has an option to, is there an option for more templates from here or go out? So if I go out and go one step back, I'm in the templates. And if I want to create new template, three columns. I was even thinking about creating very busy layout with 4 columns. So let's say go 3 columns. And how do I? Okay, so I can create 2 narrow columns. Let's start. Let's start. a custom template. Thank you. It's the it's all mine. Or maybe just MV Eddy. Yeah, Eddy. This is for the. This will be a blog page. Yeah, will it be? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe choose pattern. And this is trick now. This is tricky. Skip, but grab a pattern. So since I'm not using the pattern, I need header. Maybe I'll play without header. Well, I'll take my generic template parts. Header, footer, the main ones, and then so for query loop, what do I do? What do I want to? What's my game? What's my game in those columns? What do I do? What do I intend to do in those columns? Especially since the leftmost column will be stacked in the center. That's the thing. Because on mobile, I don't have in the basic WordPress core. I cannot change the order of stacking, irregular order of stacking. I need to. There is only left to right, top to bottom stacking order. Responsive design, layout of content, stacking one on top of the other. Leftmost first, and then the rest below. But there is, I've got one. I have one plugin for experimentation. Blocks, title, content, widgets, design, group, more, stack. There is only one trick that I know when the order changes is the. I'll do experiment with this header. Add the next segment. No, not in the header. Nothing. I'm not editing header. Undo. Okay, redo. Add footer. Header. Add. Block. Group for the start. Just a group. Yeah, like that. basic layout, center like that. So what do I do in this case? What's the thought process here? If I add this group here, okay, I've got the group here. I was thinking of experimenting with in this group add something. What? I want to just test out a few traditional elements. I'm not adding a group. No. Remove, undo. Add here, browse all. I want to test out few things. I want to test out a few things that I didn't test in recent time. That is the text and media. Text and media like that. Media library just for the experiment. Give me that. And text test. Yeah, that's paragraph. Cool. I'll just type here. Can I? Okay. Edoga pub label on song radar. Cool. What does media and text also have? What properties? Alignments, aligning back and forth. Ah, you're crazy. Crop image fit column. Okay, cool. Stack mobile, full size resolution of the image. That's the image properties. Media width, visibility. Again, this visibility is from the plugin conditional block. I've got that. These are the block properties. This section, stack on mobile, crop image. Full size, medium, wow, thumbnail, wow, crop fill thumbnail, squishy, thumbnail, medium. Why so funny? Why do you look so funny? Can I change around? Okay, here is the crop media width. Okay, so it depends, clarity of the image depends, quality depends on this of the size. So if I set the size small, the resolution becomes irrelevant. If I crop it, then the image is stretched and I get filthy details. Higher resolution makes it almost perceivable, marginally. I'll just leave it for now and check out more styling properties for this element if there are any. Well, this is just a test. If I try something else, block, I'm looking for any element that might play nice with the I'm looking how to create a trick swap stacking order. Left column left and center column swap order. Make the left center column stack top and left column below. I might just try and play a game faking left right, like when the image is next to a what if I have a block of text? Let's say if I add so I'm selecting, okay, I'll select new group. Let's say new group. Row stack, row stack. Can I do that trick somehow? Group. One group. Yeah, I've selected group. Add the paragraph in a group. Lorem ipsum apply nice in left Solomon. Copy this. Maybe I just grab the group from here. Copy, grab that. Group. I'll pull this group out of here. Drag it here. Outside, like that, cool. And clone this group. Duplicate once, duplicate the third time. So how do I get them sorted somehow? Sorting, justification. So if I hit left, that goes left. Hit here, that's center. And if I hit here right, justify, no, this is the OU. So this one left, right, and this one is centered. And they're just like that. What else do they have? So they are each their own row. They're each on their own row. They're not columns. What's that? Skull. Are those Rebecca, what are those? Are those two monkeys or two fists? School. Is that Northern European Scandinavian accent? School. It's like let's drink from the horns of the ox. Mighty ox. Here's a cup of mead from the mighty ox horns, antlers, hollow antlers for the mead. Great. So group in this basic form doesn't do anything. If I select stack, okay, got it. So if I do this and turn this into a stack like this and say you go left, then it goes left, and select the next one, get it into a stack and say you go right, and they just appear this way. Yeah, cool. So this one is left, but but not left out. So what did I get? Can I tell them go row yourself into a row? And if I row them, what's going on now? Preview mobile. Okay, so what I need to say here is play nice left column, so, and say here like center, play nice me be center. Can I trick all this? Richt. So they're in a row. Justification spread around like that. What if I allow wrapping lines? Okay, cool. Okay, they didn't break it. This form they didn't break. So if I switch to mobile, what's going on? Left is on top, center is second. I want to trick them to. I want to trick them to swap places the left and center on stacking order. Stretch to fill, nothing. Top, nothing. Justification, nothing. Left stays on top. That's centers and cannot swap place. Oh, positioned. What if I say for the center stack you sticky, you be sticky? Okay, and if I scroll, there is not enough content height to push this up. No, default. And now here in the game comes in the visibility plugin, conditional blocks, browser device condition, browser device condition, query, not the query string, not the query string condition, not the cookie, not the date, hide block, referral source, screen size, visibility presets, import. Cool, gotcha, cool. 3 hours in. Is there some nasty trick? Fill fixed. Is there any nasty trick I could apply, like with squeezing with margin? No margin, no. Pushing it to go squeeze out the stack on top. What if I say go bottom, space between? What's the space between? Nothing. Bottom, nothing. Justification, item, center, allow. Stack, no, don't wrap lines. Left. Row. Spread around. Center yourself. No. Now I'm thinking, is there any other? Could I simulate any other conditions on the mobile device that these elements would rearrange stacking order? like for this one. And this, if I do the developer tools inspection, I know that there is media query, CSS media query applied that changes position for this element. But that thing would need, then I would need to replicate, to modify this theme and create a specialized block that holds the specialized CSS, and I might pull that off, but I don't want to implement my own block, because I will need to maintain that code, and I want to avoid creating my own objects, entities into WordPress, because on the major version updates, that might break sometime down the line, maybe just in 10 years, but I'm just that lazy. Because here's the solution. But anyway, what would I put in the leftmost column? In the leftmost column I had widgets like these, widgets, latest posts, and then I also yeah, so I've done that in that column. Tiny silly things, and categories, pages. One, two, three. Okay, this is my this is unedited version of RSS. These two columns. So I'm running in a circle constantly. So the thing is that the single post page, like for example this one, or this post page, on the specific post, yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, got it. On a single post page, what I want to do, AMA84, how are you doing there on the kick, in the kick house? Thank you. Pleasure to have you here also. Hope you found it interesting. Well, I'll just point out this moment that I keep the show notes compiled during stream, and they're available at the end of the VOD in the recorded version. So anybody who's interested can check the last minute of the replay, video stream replay, and read through the notes to see if there's anything interesting somewhere along the timeline. And I also edit and publish the notes on the website. Try make some reference with the stream sessions. And as I pile up the material, I'll have something to work on later. Do the workflow processes of editing this into like more efficient learning material, more effective. I don't feel too tired, but it would be a good strategy to end also the stream, because what I'm pondering is for this type of layout, I won't be getting ads showing left and right, just in line with the content. That's the deal. While the page that shows 3-column layout, the ads will show, well, let's just have a showcase of that. So let's see how the monetized site looks, monetized version, in another browser that's not blocking ads, like in the opera, going to the opera house, sing along, ling along, along, ling along, like a start now. Come on, I'm not working with this, just start na pozicija. Startna pozicija, like that. Come on. So I got a discoverable page on my website, start position, and here's the cookie consent, and the ads will show. So in this example of single column post, the ads show in line. Charmander, I choose you, Charmander. And on the bottom there's a wide ad which is taking the width from the footer element, for example. And for the, if I go main page, here we see that the ads are shown inline everywhere, as long there is a region defined for the content. So ads find a way like to sneak in line with the content. That's the thing. And the single post or a page type of layout, this is space left and right will just never include any advertising. That's the nasty, that's just waste of capital right here. But in case of this, in case of this template, ads would appear here, around here, and around here, and in line with the main page content. So this layout is just not optimal with the ads, not showing this space. So that's why I'm looking for a layout that will utilize this space. And so what's the deal? If I create a layout that says post content or page content go to the left, and have another side column on the right, the header and page body content would be somewhat off, kind of misaligned. And that misalignment, here is an example of what I'm blabbering about. Any other example? Let's say if I how about I go into into the maybe gallery template, WordPress template gallery, Galleria. Oh, let's for example check this out. So this I have here is what I get here is why don't you load? Come on, load. Load again. No. Then reload. You're full. So here I have the like image showing on the left and sidebar here, and if I click title of the post, description section, oh, got it, I got it. And there is this left column. So how would this look on the, if I trick this into being mobile? Let's say, oh, I'm on mobile. So what happened is that leftmost menu jumped over here. Ah, okay, so it's on the bottom, showing on the bottom on the mobile. There's some witchcraft in play here, some trickery. So this bottom bar is acting as a mobile app type of thing, which is on desktop on the left. And I get the post view like this. Wow. So a few more moving elements that just play with my attention, like devil plays the fiddle. Load more. No, enough. I've had enough. How about this? How does the Odyssey? What can I take? What's the takeaway from Odyssey? Again, we have a narrow column here and central list, centrally formatted list, either inline list or grid. List or grid. List or grid. Well, maybe I'm just being greedy, looking how to monetize also this type of conditions when there is an empty space here and here. But in case of this type of content, that is really a waste. That's regretful. That is regretful. What would I fit in this condition? Can I learn something from? Yeah. So for this type of post, what would I be showing here? Well, I might just at least add 2 columns, like a sidebar. like in example of the, like in example of, because if I push the main content center column all the way to the left, it would look just weird. It might just appear weird. And it would always stack on, that column would stack on top. And there's one more thing. The main content on each page load, it should start in the same spot for each page. If the page content starting point for the from page to page is floating, it's just distracting and takes additional effort from the page visitor who's browsing to, for each page load, find where's the starting point. Normally it would be that I keep my vision focus in the same spot, and then the content loads. Will this load? Yeah. So this is the this is the post, this post, and if I select next post, and as the browser jumps on top, okay, so this post doesn't have heading image, but at least my eyesight focus is at this. Well, it's kept in line with this layout, having the color representations of the separation of content. At least that rule is visually here applied. But if I would apply something like that's the challenge. Stacking order on mobile. Stacking order on mobile, for example, here, that's the challenge. Having everything go stacking top to bottom from left to right. Since I'm doing mobile first design, mobile first, and on desktop so I would allow mobile first, I would allow header navigation over here, and the rest of content squeeze this into narrow mobile type of conditions, apply the conditions here. I'll be right back. Well, guess what? Oh, I'm back. WB, where I've been? Toilet? Where been? Mind your business. Shut up! Ah, welcome back. Hey, you've seen Becca Donnie Darko? Like the movie? What you think of that movie? Yeah. Shut up! Shut up! Go back to China, bish. That was a comic relief and a kind of also dramatic, tragic, but like real life circumstances. But it's stuck with me for all these years. Shut up! Go back to China, bish. That's from the movie I'm quoting. No, hey. Terms, conditions, Gestapo. I'm just quoting the movie. That's in the movie. Go. See check the Donnie Darko movie. It's from there. It's not. I watched it normally, like watching on the screen, and then once I had it with headphones, and that's when it all set. Then it's when it really took me. Especially with those music sequences. Head over heels from what's their name? Pam param pam para tarararara dun 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 dun. In slow motion, coming start of the workday, coming into school. Last year in the autumn, I've slipped into in watching the Twin Peaks reruns in more detail, the first season, 2 seasons. And then for the first time also watching the last season, Twin Peaks. And then I was impressed even that the 3rd season is like kind of artistically overdone and kind of confusing. It again was the next level of the experience, like a variety show. Music act, bit segment in the episode, and then the drama from different authors. Real weird stuff, then like more rational events like real life drama, and then switching back and forward from the weird parts to completely abstract, and then back to the real life. But those two first seasons, especially the first one, brought me back into those 90s late 80s when I first saw them, when they were aired for the first time. When we are just all generations like, what is this? It's quite a attention grabbing experience. And all the characters, like all stereotypes driven storytelling, but on the next level in those terms at that time period. And watching the reappearances of the characters from first season back into the third with their real age, showing like their life developed, some not changing dramatically, staying in place, and some like flying all over the place like Agent Cooper. The Dark Cooper is real SOB, a real impressive appearance over their character. The Dark Cooper, that's some stuff right there, some heavy stuff. The silent presence gave him an extra dimension. That quiet, slow, silent presence. Have you seen the new Dune first episode? I liked it. I like the storytelling. I was kind of curious. I didn't read the books yet. Maybe I will never. I don't know. But I like the way that the hierarchy of the storytelling goes from the like internalized story into external common dialogue between characters and the internal thought processes of the not too abstract but efficiently delivered. And the struggles of the characters, even if there's a wide spectrum, big palette roster of characters in the actual story, they all get their time slot efficiently for the story delivered. And it paid homage, respect to the first movie, first cinematic delivery of the Dune. I completely ignored all the TV and in between ekranizations projects of Dune. They didn't get the appeal. The lighting was off. Too realistic lighting, not enough atmosphere, or overdoing it in some the David Lynch and this last don't give it some kind of a fairy tale ambient atmosphere around, while those TV ekranizations and other forms kind of came out plain without lacking that gloomy fantasy feel to it. I'm about to close the show. I'm just I'm just getting diluted with my focus. I'm not sure will I be doing more work over the weekend, maybe just play the weekend game. But I've made a statement, I'll move gaming content away. So I'll maybe, but my gaming channel is not yet ready fully. But I might just do some, change the topic over weekend on this channel, these channels, to some experimental stuff, multimedia, or maybe just play on old PC games, old content, maybe PC archaeology software. Thank you so very much for sticking around, paying attention. Going to the outro without the excessive waste of our time. Oh, who's online? Who raid who? Oh, I completely ignore the broader scope. Raiding who and where? Not today, because I have only the backend open and this computer is too slow to switch around to main pages on these channels. So I'll get that into workflow sometime soon. Okay, crowd, off you go. Late, getting late. Got to close the hen pen. Switching to the outro. Hitting that end, the end. Well, maybe put the show notes on, update the show notes with the statement that what's been going on here. Okay, so clone of VPT 2023. Thanks, sure will do. What else I've done? Okay. My made the single post template, single post template, made a new single post template. Status update style. Social status update style portlet. That's the game here. Portlet or portlet. What else happened? What else happened of significance throughout the show? What else significantly happened of significance? Any tests here and experiments here? No, completely ignored the international website. Experimenting on this. And well, testing content stacking order in stacking order of content stacking order content testing content stacking order, testing 3-column content stacking order, 3-column content, 3 columns stacking order. Order. Responsive layout. Save this, show them in the notes. Show notes updated. Is that the latest? Anything else? Testing 3 columns. Content stacking order, responsive layout. Well, trying get left and center content, left and center column swap task order. Fail. There we go. Bye. Thanks. Really appreciate the attention I'm getting.